Ang Talikala usa ka non-government organization nga natukod since 1987, no, ug ang iyang ginaserbisyuhan ng mga babae ug batang babae nga naasulod sa prostitution, sex trafficking ug online sexual abuse and exploitation ng children. So ang among community are kato mga babae ug bata nga biktima no ug survivors sa sexual exploitation. At the same time katong mga vulnerable girls and young women katong posible mahimong biktima sa prostitution, sex trafficking o usahay. Ang among advocacy kato prevention alang sa or batok sa sexual exploitation sama sa prostitution, usahay o trafficking ang mga babae o batang babae dili mahimong biktima niini, no. At the same time na ami prevention pero naapod mi responses, no. So ni ang mga programa o serbisyo alang sa mga nabiktima na o katong mga survivors sa sexual exploitation. In totality, ang NGO is very dependent, no, sa external help, labi na sa mga funding agencies. That's why mga partnership like with Ateneo Arope is very important. Exposing our women to Ateneo Arope as help restore their trust to the world, to other human being na dili tanan nga mga lalaki or tao are there to exploit them or to take advantage, no. There are other people, especially the young people, who are willing to listen to their stories, no. In a way, nakita ng mga batang babae nga, ay, naaman di, ay, no, naaman ko kakayahan ng storya, naaman di, ang dami minaw sa ako. So, it's strengthening their trust, which was destroyed by people who take advantage of them. At the same time, nagapataas sa ilang self-esteem. Kung makita ni mo, bata pa lang, or high school pa lang mo, i-ano mo aning advocacy, no wonder nga there are mga alumni ng senior high school who are going back to us na may nga, ma'am katong na-expose ba ako diri itong senior high school. For me, it's a manifestation nga indeed na-internalize ng mga taga Ateneo Senior High School ang katong be for person for others, no. Para sa Arope, unta magpadayon pa ang partnership, no. Unta magpadayon nga dunay venue ang mga estudyante nga mukat-on, at the same time venue for the women and girls who are victims and survivors to share their stories. At the same time, venue for the students to listen to and to ask questions with mutual respect. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for adapting our advocacy, for listening to us, and for accepting our advocacy in your program.